Let's solve this task. So the waiting times in minutes for patients at a clinic are normally distributed with the mean 13 and variance 16. Calculate the probability that a randomly selected patient has to wait for more than 16.5 minutes. So if we have to wait like more, then we have to see, first of all, let us write that x is normally distributed. So we have it like that. And here we have 13 and 16. So if you want to make standardization, it's going to be like x minus 13 divided by 4. Then what is next? If you want to have like probability that we have to wait more than 16 minutes, so we have more than 16.5, and this is the probability of, this is the phi probability that z is larger or larger, basically larger than 16.5 minus 13 over 4. Then let us calculate that. So here we have the following, the probability that z is larger than 3.5 over 4 is equal to 1 minus phi of 3.5 over 4. And now it's time to take the value from the calculator. So let us calculate 3.5 divided by 4, 0.875. So it will be 1 minus phi of 0.875. Now let us try to find what is the value of phi of 0.875 by using the table. So 0.8 and 7 and 5. So 0.8078, 0.8078. So it will be phi of 0.875. It is 0.8078 plus what happens when you have phi. So 0.8078, and here if we have phi, we need to add 14. So plus the last two digits. So 50,014. And finally we get what? Finally we get 0.8092. And then here it's gonna be, so now we can calculate 1 minus 0.8092. We have 1908. So we have 0.1908. Okay, so this is approximately 19.1, so approximately 0.191. This is the probability, yeah. So now let us proceed to solution of the B part. So here it's written that Last month, 468 patients attended the clinic. Calculate an estimate of the number who waited for less than 9 minutes. So we need to find firstly the probability that, so for the part B, we need to calculate firstly the probability that we waited less than 9 minutes, so the probability of x smaller than 9. So it is equal to the probability when z is smaller than 9 minus 13 divided by 4. And we can see that this is the probability that z is smaller than minus 1. Now we can see that this is equal to 1 minus phi of 1. And we can find it using the table. So if you take the table, 1 is 0.8413. So it will be 1 minus 0.8413. And this is equal to, let's take our calculator. It will be 1 minus 0.8413. No, 0.8413. And we have, 1 minus 0.8413. And this is 0.1587. So this is 0.1587. So we have the probability, and now in order to estimate the amount of the number of people who waited less than 9 minutes, we need to take the estimation is just taking the 468 and multiplying by 0.1587. What do we obtain? Let's just take the calculator, and for the 468 multiplied by 0.1587, we will have 72, 74, and 2716. Of course, we cannot take those values because we have to speak about the number of persons. So the answer is 74.